So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell right there to be notified every time when I upload a video. Today I'm going to be doing this get unready with me look, because I think it is very important to know how you remove your makeup in the right way. Now this particular for this particular video I've actually removed all my jewelry and stuff. I just want to concentrate on removing the makeup part. So let's get started. So the first step is basically taking your cotton pad, and the one that I use, this is this Bella cotton. I usually get these from Health and Glow. I think these should be available on Nykaa as well. You could check it out. So then what I do is I will be using this Garnier's Micellar Cleansing Water. They do have Micellar Cleansing Oil as well, but I'm more, I find using this micellar water more convenient because I do have a little sensitive skin. So what I'll be doing is I'll be taking this on my cotton pad. And first I'll be removing the makeup all over my face, and I'll start from my cheek basically. Now the reason I do this is because, let's say when you take all of your product, you don't want to directly rub it on your eyes, because sometimes, your eyes might start burning. So first, and then using the same cotton pad, you will basically be removing your makeup on your eye. Be very gentle while doing this. Actually, I usually end up, rubbing it a little bit, but I don't think that's the right way of doing it. You need to be a little gentle. So I'm consciously being gentle right now, because the skin under your eye is actually really soft, and it's anyway a good idea to be gentle with your skin. I'm just going to be taking another cotton pad. I'm going to be putting the product over here, and I'll be just removing my lipstick. Post this, what I also like to do is, I basically, to remove any other makeup that's there on my skin, I don't want to be using this particular product again on my skin. So I use this Refreshing Cleansing Milk by Himalaya. Now, a cleansing milk is actually very good for your skin. So what I'm just going to be doing is, to remove off any excess, I'm going to be taking the cleansing milk on this particular cotton pad. So next what I'll be doing is I'll be using this particular aloe vera facial wipes by Himalaya after removing my entire makeup. Now I do this because it adds hydration back to your skin before I go ahead with my face wash directly. I just like doing this step, and this particular product smells very good. It has this fresh kind of a smell, because after wearing the makeup, you may feel a little heavy. So this can instantly make you feel a little light. Also, this helps out any other little makeup that's left on your face. Now, the next step is actually washing my face, for which I usually tend to use a very gentle cleanser, because you've already rubbed your face too much removing all of this makeup. So the best gentle cleanser that I've used till date is the Kama Ayurveda Rose and Jasmine Cleanser. This is very good for your skin. I basically tend to rub it all over my face, massaging my skin a little bit. So now I've washed my face, and what I usually do after this is I apply this aloe vera gel. The one that I'm recently obsessed over is this Lakme 9 to 5 aloe vera gel. This gives you instant, it instantly refreshes your skin, and also aloe vera gel provides very good amount of hydration. So I use this step before applying my makeup as well, and also after I've removed my makeup. Just give it about 2 minutes on your skin so that it's absorbed properly. So next what I'll be doing is I'll quickly be moisturizing my face, for which I'll be using this Pond's Light Moisturizer. This again is one of my most favorite moisturizers. You can go ahead and use any moisturizer to be honest. And if you're basically removing your makeup in the night, you can also use a night gel or a night cream. Once you're done moisturizing your face, you need to moisturize your lips before you go ahead with your day or you're going to go to sleep. The most hydrating lip balm that I've used till now is this Bare Necessities lip balm. These people do sustainable products, so you should definitely try buying their products. And the second thing is that the quality of this lip balm is so good that you apply it in the night and the next day morning your lips are like buttery soft. And for me personally, I have highly dry lips. Like it just, kabhi bhi fat sakta hai. So I'm just giving this, I'm just having a gentle coat over my lips. So that's it guys. I think this was pretty simple. And you can look to follow these steps and let me know how you feel right after you've removed your makeup. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share, and definitely recommend this video to everyone you think who's interested in makeup and who would like watching this particular video. Take care. Bye.